Hello everyone, this is Aaron with ITS. Here I'm going to show you how to program an EZO circuit to work with the water feature rate system. It's very simple, and we've got some instructions on our website if you go download those, but this one here is a pH and we're just going to do a quick walkthrough. First things first, you can see right here that is a USB to TTL serial connection. I don't recall which version this was exactly, but it's a pretty simple chip. It was maybe $10, found it on Amazon. Works real great for these kinds of applications. You can also buy the Atlas Scientific carrier boards. Those have a BNC output so that you can test sensors at the same time. But for now, I'm just programming this EZO, so I want you to see it. Here I've got the EZO connected. And on the back side, I've got ground on the right, RX to TX, and TX to RX here. And then on the back side, I'll connect power to VCC. And you will see that the EZO circuit lights up. Okay. This one is a pH EZO circuit. Just use it on our test bench here, but I just wanted to show it to you. Doesn't really matter which one. Each one has individual instructions on our website if you so care to go take a look. We also, in your instruction manual, will have exactly all the settings to set for each one, and that's what I've got right here. This is the instruction manual for the water feature rate. On the left-hand side, you can see a terminal emulator. This one is TerraTerm. And what I'm going to actually do here is go through the setup even though it's properly set up. We go to serial port, select the COM port for it, 9600 baud, 8-bit, no parity, 1 stop bit, no flow control, hit OK. I also like to go into the terminal menu, type new line receive, carriage return, and line feed. This will make sure that the line goes down as it's collecting readings. I apologize if I'm going real quick. This is explained on our how-to sheet, so I just wanted to zip through it real quick so you can see how simple this is. Okay, first things first. I've set the factory reset on this particular EZO. Factory reset will set a number of different things, including the calibration and everything. So be careful when you do that. It doesn't reset protocol locks. So this one is now set for UART mode. And I'm going to go ahead and now program the 4 different things that we like to do on our EZOs. First one is set the UART baud rate to 9600. This one's set by default from the factory, but the command is BAUD, 9600. Enter. It says OK. And if you're curious, you type BAUD, question mark, and it says baud 9600. OK, so that's good. Next is we like to set the protocol lock just in case it somehow gets changed. PLOCK, 1. PLOCK, 1. There we go. We have an OK signal. And if we want to check, we type PLOCK, question mark, and it says PLOCK 1. So PLOCK 1 means protocol lock is enabled. Next is we need to disable continuous readings so that our microprocessor works with the 8-to-1 serial port expander. Simple C, 0. OK. We stop receiving readings, and we can check it. C, question mark. Set C, 0. So that's good. And finally, we disable the OK response function. Star OK, 0. Done. And it won't tell us anything because we've disabled the OK function. So when we hit OK, it stopped telling us. So we can check it. We can just say star OK, question mark, and it says OK, 0. So this EZO set up. It's that simple. It's ready to go into a water feature rate board. And it should function just fine. A couple things to check. Check your protocol and make sure that it's the correct protocol. This runs on UART and not I2C. And if you're curious, you can go through the Atlas Scientific sheets over here, and there is a ton of information on exactly what these EZO circuits do and how they work. But in order to get it to work with a water feature rate, all you got to do is follow the simple instructions that are included in our instruction manual. And if you have any questions on how to do the general sort of procedure and how to plug them in and set it up and what software to use and things like that, go ahead and read our little how-to guide. Thanks for watching, and holler back if you have any questions.